In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Wise. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get started. Wise is a great platform for managing your money, but sometimes you just need to log out, whether you're done with your session or using a shared device. Logging out is important for keeping your information safe, and I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step. First, let's make sure you're on the proper page. Open your web browser and navigate to wise.com. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your starting point, so if you're not there yet, go ahead and click on Home, or just type the URL into your browser's address bar. Now that you're on the Wise homepage, look for the profile icon. This will usually be located in the upper right corner of the page. It often resembles a person or a circular icon. Once you see it, click on that profile icon. This is your gateway to account settings and other options. After you've clicked the profile icon, you may notice a drop-down menu appears. Here's where you'll want to pay attention because it opens up several options related to your account. To proceed, you'll need to scroll down a little bit. It's helpful to take your time here. You might see additional options or features that Wise offers, so don't rush. Now, as you scroll down, keep an eye out for the logout option. This should be listed towards the bottom of the drop-down menu. It's pretty straightforward to spot, so once you see it, go ahead and click on Log Out. Once you've clicked that, you'll be logged out of Wise. If all goes well, you should see a confirmation that you have successfully logged out, and you will typically be taken back to the home page or a welcome screen. And just like that, you've successfully logged out of your Wise account. If you're using a shared computer or a public device, it's particularly important to make sure you're logged out properly. This simple action can save you from a lot of potential issues down the road. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that logging out is an essential habit for online banking and finance apps like Wise. It's just one of those little things that keep your data secure and give you peace of mind. To recap what we've just learned, first, open your web browser and go to wise.com. Second, click on the profile icon in the upper right corner. Then, scroll down in the drop-down menu, and finally, click on Log Out. It's quick and simple, and it only takes a few moments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial on how to log out of Wise. I hope you found it helpful and that you feel confident about logging out securely. Remember, if you found this video useful, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and like the video to keep updated with more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.